Okay, so tonight's what's for dinner is a taco potato casserole made with hash browns. It was really easy and simple, and I did it in the crock pot. See you tomorrow. Okay, y'all, this is our what's for dinner tonight. It's Poppyseed Chicken, mashed yellow potatoes, and green beans. Okay, y'all, today this is our what's for dinner. It's just a simple ravioli dish. It's got sauce, meat, a little bit of cheese, and frozen ravioli, and I baked it in the oven, and that's what we did tonight. Okay, so this is tonight's what's for dinner. It is our beef broccoli over rice with yum yum sauce. The yum yum sauce is a no sugar sauce. That way we can add pretty much, not as much as we want, but generous helpings of how much of the sauce that we want. I usually tend to make it a little bit spicy, so the sauce actually kind of deflects that because it's kind of sweet, but it's really simple, easy, and you should have a video of that down below somewhere. But that's what's for dinner tonight. Okay, y'all, this is today's what's for dinner. It's right before Thanksgiving, so we usually try to do something real light and easy, and this is just hot dogs with Rotel Dip and chips. Hey y'all, it's another what's for dinner. Tonight was just some boxed Hamburger Helper. Sometimes I do that when I need something real quick and easy, and that's what we did today. See you tomorrow.